Sol 43. Beginning the ascent of Olympus Mons. Conditions stable. Let's see how far this red giant takes me.
Climb steeper than expected. Wind's picking up a little, but nothing I can't handle. Taking it one step at a time. Just pause to look back. I can barely see the lander now. This planet is so empty, but so beautiful. Visibility low. Dust storm hit faster than forecasted, hunkering down until it passes. Olympus isn't giving up easy. Altitude's high now. Breathing harder, but I'm close. I can feel it. Olympus Mons, you're almost mine. Setting up camp for the night. The stars here are different. So quiet. Feels like I'm the last person in the universe. Mission log. I made it. The summit of Olympus Mons. Highest point in the solar system. It's overwhelming. From the surface of Mars to the peak of a planet. We came here for science, but I found something more. Silence. Stillness. Wonder.